This is my mom's garage, and this is my mom. She loves her car to death, so I decided to make her dream garage. Over the years, the garage has been super messy with oil stains on the ground to miscellaneous things on the wall, and now that it's 2024, it's time to change that. And we are finally degreasing the floor. And then for the next few days, it's just gonna take a lot of time to transform this garage. But little did I know, it took us all the way till midnight just to clean the garage itself. There was a lot of cracks on the ground, so I wanted to be able to fill that up and not see that through the paint. So I used a little bit of putty from Lowe's and just started filling the cracks up. After the putty on the epoxy was dried, we finally decided to start grinding the floor. I'm kind of learning all these things, all these tools, and all these techniques as we go because we had no idea what we were doing. Imagine hearing this grinding noise at 10 o'clock at night. The neighbors definitely hate us. But we had to do what we had to do, and the floor finally looked 10 times better. I also ordered these LEDs from Amazon. The garage was already pretty dark already, so I wanted to light it up. Have you ever seen a person vacuum the driveway? But while my sister was vacuuming the floor, I decided to install these LEDs just to make it easier for us to work around the garage. Now we have these white walls painted. Before they were all musty, dusty, crusty. My dumbass forgot to turn off the breaker switch right here, and basically if you don't turn that off, and if you're touching anything that's electrical, you get your ass zapped. And I definitely got electrocuted twice. Luckily I was able to yank my arm in time, but yeah, that was kind of scary. I guess I almost got killed on this project, but even though I almost got electrocuted to death, it was time to still keep pushing forward and finish the flooring. The lack of experience that we didn't have, the flooring started to look great. It literally looked like a garage that you buy from a six-figure house. After putting a couple coats later, we finally decided to put the clear coat on, and that's when it went to shit. I'm so tired. Put the clear, it just didn't work out as I thought. I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I have to resand it, or I think what happened was I think it was too cold and it just crystallized because it was so cold and it looks milky and shitty. So as soon as we put the clear coat on, it just went to shit. But even though the clear coat failed, I had my dad help me out again, and we decided to redo the whole entire floor. A few days later, we were able to finish it. It didn't turn out the best, but it didn't turn out the worst. It was completely draining. We were running out of time because we also needed to finish other things for the garage, so we just left out the floor how it was and left it at that. But since the flooring was done, we were finally able to assemble the whole garage and to see the transformation. This is the third week. Here's how everything looks. And now we are going to try to finish this whole entire bottom flooring, which is called the baseboards. And then we're going to finish this door, and hopefully we can move everything right back in. But that wasn't the case. My mom decided that the baseboard that we were putting on looked ugly, and she actually wanted real wood rather than rubber on the walls. So we went back to Lowe's, bought some wood, and then came back and started cutting away. But this was really scary because I never used a saw in my life, and I was afraid that I wasn't gonna have any fingers after this. After we finished cutting all the boards, we finally nailed it to the wall by using this nail gun, or aka a brad nailer. I never knew what that was until I found out during this project. We even had Mama Mai do some labor and nail in those boards.
Hey, why is like that?
She messed up.
Why? Hey, why is like that? I don't know.
Some of the boards were uneven, so we weren't able to put it on the wall. So we had Mama Mai made a custom cut just so that way we could fit it on the walls, because the machine that we're using didn't do straight cuts. Once the boards were nailed to the wall, we started using some caulk to fully seal the gaps. No, not that kind of caulk. But I'm pretty impressed because most of our experience was from Google searches and YouTube videos, and it turned out pretty awesome if you ask me. At this point, it's been 3 weeks since we've been working on the garage. We literally started last year of 2023, and now the project crossed over to the year of 2024. At this final part, all we needed to do was add a little bit of accessories like cabinets and all our original things that were in the garage back inside. So we finally finished the garage, and this is how it turned out. Any minute now. Let's come on in.
This is crazy.
What do you think of the garage, Mom?
Trời ơi, đẹp quá.
It is currently 2:14 in the morning. I don't know if you guys could see that in the back of my clock. Please smash the like button for me because this video took longer than I thought. It took from 1 week from renovating the garage to actually taking a whole month. That's why there hasn't been any videos or any videos about the K-swap or any other car related video. This is kind of car related video, so that's why I wanted to do it, but also as well as not only making my mom's dream garage, but as well as it would be great for the videos in the future, so hence why I wanted to renovate the garage. And it was kind of both in both situation. We are a family, so we do share the garage at the end of the day, and not only I wanted to make my mom happy, but also as well as make you guys happy for the videos as well in the future to come. Everyone in the family was unexperienced. We didn't know what we were doing while renovating this garage. This was my first time or kind of second time doing housework or any house renovation. Obviously the garage doesn't look perfect, but at the end of the day I think it gives the garage a little bit of character, but also as well as we put a lot of hard work, blood, sweat, tears into this thing. So please smash that like button. I'm just gonna full send this video up 2 in the morning. It's been a while since I haven't posted really any video of 2024. The videos will keep coming and we'll keep going. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smack that like button, and yeah, I will see you guys next time, next one.